Morning all. What an amazing night's sleep that was. We went to bed at I think it was about 10:30. It's 8:30 now. The best news is it was supposed to be kind of 20-mile-an-hour winds and rain, heavy rain, and so far it's not. Have a look at my view. Look at this. How good is that? Right, it's time to get coffees on and get this day going.
Morning swim.
Oh, morning swim. There's Robert. Good morning, Robert. Oh, peace, even better.
For line.
TD's still in bed, as per usual. Num num in my belly.
See you later, Ireland. As you can see, the rain has set in. So, yeah, today we're going to head across the lake. Probably a couple of kilometres. Down the other side of the bank, and then there's a small portage of around 150 metres, but we're told it's really steep, quite difficult. Here's last night's camp. There we go. Yeah, around 150 metres, and then on the other side we get into a new system of lakes, and it looks a little bit more protected from any wind, so we're going to try and head for that kind of area, and yeah, hopefully it'll get us out of the wind and any rain, because it's supposed to be very wet today, so we thought if we can get out of it a little bit, it will make it a bit easier to dry things out this evening if we need to. But that camp was amazing last night. Just bearing in mind it'd been so wet all day and really windy. When it mattered in the evening, the wind died right back, and it was lovely. We had a really long sleep. Got into bed I think at 10:30, and we didn't get up till it was about 8:30, which was amazing. I think we all needed it. We had a long few days of travelling, so yeah, crack on now and enjoy the paddle for a few hours. See those buildings on the other side? I assume it's somewhere around there that we go up and over. Well, I was just thinking actually, this video should probably be called Outside TD and Rob, shouldn't it? Because you guys are going to be in all of it. Hello there. Hi. on the other side. What?
Little ratchet straps all over. That's what I want to know.
Well, it's probably like
Still being
making.
built.
Yeah. Ah, he's bonkers.
Massive. Nice. Fair play.
Wowzers. It's pretty.
Ash?
Yeah,
I think that's ash.
it looks like it, doesn't it?
Yeah, smell it.
Oh, it smells like bumhole. Pretty epic views. Look at it. Wow. It's a shame there's no wood on here. It's very cool. Oh, it echoes.
Right.
Do you want me to hang it?
No.
Do you want me to hang it above your head?
Yeah. I need like a little sail coming up top so I can plug it and run it down.
Pipe coming down.
Rip.
Cheers.
That is just pure relaxing material.
Wilderness.
That's what I've come here for.
You buy that stuff on a CD.
I would. If you could buy that, if you could buy this, what this is doing now, buy the nubjul. I buy lots of nubjuls every
What's
week.
the measure?
That'd be my new addiction. Basically, I'd have a Costa, some car parts, and a load of fucking Sweden fucking scenarios. Thank you.
I'm recording it. I'll resell it to you if you like.
Yep. I'd bag it. Look at that over there, though. The mist coming. Is it coming this way?
It's off the water. Yeah.
It looks like it's coming this way. It is. All right.
It is immense, isn't it? I might have to get my rod out.
So this is Sweden for me, this shit right now.
Sick of watching them fish. I have to do a little bit myself, I think. What a day. It was a day of rain. Although we dodged most of it. It was wet this morning, and then it was dry as we made our way around here. But the rain came in pretty hard earlier. We had a mad dash trying to get things set up. We got up this morning and kind of had a lazy morning and made breakfast, and then had a bit of a paddle round. Found a little island which I recorded actually, it was a lovely island, but there wasn't any wood on it at all. It's obviously quite popular. There was a couple of huts on it, and one really cool one up on the top, which had obviously just been built. I think we would have stayed there if we could have found some wood, but there was absolutely nothing on it because it was on an island. It would have been really quite difficult to get anything onto it, so we decided to kind of carry on, and just as we came into this spot, it absolutely threw it down. So we've had a bit of a nightmare getting everything set up, but finally the sun's come out and it's the most beautiful evening now. I think it's about 7 o'clock in the evening now, amazingly. Today seems to have absolutely flown by, although it was a very relaxed morning. So we're gonna, Terry's been doing a bit of fishing already. I'm gonna fire a rod out now. Maybe an hour's worth of sun left. See if I can catch me some tea.